The libraries in IronCAD are among the program's most important features. These libraries make it very easy to drag and drop ready-made 3D models directly into the project, whether those parts were drawn by you or downloaded from a supplier. By default, the catalogs are displayed on the right side of the screen, but you can reposition this section as you like. Use the tabs at the bottom to select different catalogs, or click the More Catalogs button to view other active libraries whose tabs don't fit on your screen. To open, save, close, or start a new catalog, use the buttons at the top. Additional catalog controls can be found in the Common section of the menu bar. As mentioned, items can be dragged from a catalog into the scene environment, but you can also do the opposite. You can drag items from your 3D scene or even from the scene browser into a catalog, so you can reuse them later. Most users and companies build their own catalogs, but complete libraries can also be downloaded from various websites.